We got your back.
I got your back, man.
We got your back, bro.
I got your back, baby.
Look, I got your back, all right?
Someone who's got your back.
I want you to know I got your back.
Don't worry, buddy. We got your back.
That big mama got your back.
Red here has got your back.
Don't worry, coach. I got your back.
Yo, honey, it's good. Just chill out. We got your back.
You see? I always got your back. Why the hell you give me an empty gun then? I didn't know. Hey, if the job goes bad, you know I got your back, right?
Don't worry. It's not gonna happen.
I got your back.
Oh my God.
You're sick. I gotta protect you.
Just leave me alone, kid.
Hey, relax. You're gonna be just fine. I got your back.
I may get a few letters on that, but I got your back.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day, Kelvin.
Same to you.
You're pretty much like the only real family I have left.
Not a problem, man. I got your back.
So anyway, from now on, White Kingdom's got your back.
Yeah, brother. My kingdom. I got your back, chosen one. Go save the world.
Maui, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hear that? They love you, Jack.
What are you doing?
I've got your back.